This LCD screen compatible with iPhone 6s Plus 5.5 only. Model number, A1634, A1687, A1699, which could be found on the backside of iPhone. Incorrect model screen would ruin iPhone. Please confirm firstly this product LCD display and digitizer glass screen has small parts, front camera, earphone, sensor cable, home button, shield, that you don't need to disassemble and assemble to a new screen for easy installation makes your repair easier, cuts repair time, and reduces risk of damage. New small parts are factory installed for a precise fit. Coming with high color resolution and brightness, wide color temperature, sensitive and smooth touch response with 3D touch, keep 3D touch function as original. Full required repair tools kit included. Fast and easy to install following direction. Save most money time compared leaving fixed by Apple Store or repair shop. The Touch ID function will only work with your phone's original home button assembly. Replaced home button has no Touch ID function, even from Apple Store. You will need to transfer the button assembly from your old display to retain Touch ID. In the description to get this product today at the best price. This LCD screen compatible with iPhone 6s Plus 5.5 only. Model number, A1634, A1687, A1699, which could be found on the back